I'm the Executive Director of the Korean American Coalition, and I'm here joined with our community members today. On behalf of KAC and its 2,000 members, partner organizations, and countless additional supporters, we urge the county to further investigate, provide timely updates, propose remedies to the disenfranchised, and remain transparent and accountable to the Korean American voters who received erroneous sample ballots in the special election for Congressional District 34. On March 24th, we held a press conference with the Registrar's Office to address the community's concerns about the erroneous sample ballots, which may have caused Korean American voters to inadvertently vote for the wrong candidate. Despite the county's efforts, KAC has received phone calls and visits to the office from Korean American voters who stated that when they called the hotlines, no one from the county picked up. Since the original report, 6 days have passed and the county has yet to determine how widespread the problem is, leaving many voters uncertain of whether or not they inadvertently voted for the wrong candidate. With the special election 7 days away, it is deeply disconcerting to learn that Korean American voters still lack access to critical voter information protected under federal law. We respectfully ask you to immediately provide 24-hour Korean language speaking personnel to assist with the hotline. Quantify for public record the amount of mislabeled sample ballots sent to the Korean American community before Friday, March 31st. Provide a detailed timeline and explanation from the county and vendor on how the erroneous sample ballots were printed and mailed to only Korean American voters. Hold the county employees who oversaw communications with the vendor accountable. Provide a detailed explanation on how the county staff failed to notice the mistake, given the impact on potentially hundreds and thousands of Korean American voters, and follow up with an action plan on how to prevent this from occurring to Korean American voters and other minority voters in the future. And we ask that you extend the voting deadline for voters impacted by misprinted sample ballots. Earlier, Mr. Logan stated that there are 2 cases. The day after, I door knocked, and we were able to recover at least 9 additional erroneous sample ballots. Thank you.
Thank you for your testimony. Someone from my staff will be coming to speak with you rather immediately.
Thanks, sir.
And the objective will be for you to have a direct communication with Mr. Logan, see if we can't get to resolution in real time.
Sir, thank you for coming forward. I did get a letter from Dean Logan responding, I guess, to some of your requests, but I certainly would like to see follow-up that, you know, some of this action is taken seriously, because this has happened before in other places, and especially when it hits immigrant communities, obviously it creates a great deal of discomfort, and obviously the election is so close. We don't want to see any errors. So thank you for coming and testifying, and for the folks that are here with you today.
Right. Mr. Logan pointed out that the sample ballots, the error on the sample ballots won't affect the official ballots. But the truth is, many of our seniors rely on this sample ballot to understand how the voting process works. It could be true that many of our seniors use this and use the erroneous sample ballot to actually cast their vote. There is a possibility in that.